Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you why chewing is important not only for your health but for your weight loss as well. I am Lilia from Digital Diet Studio, your fitness and nutrition expert who drinks wine and swings kettlebell. So make sure you watch this video to the end where I give you a suggestion how to improve your chewing, improve your health, and lose some weight. So let's start with the explanation. So chewing is an essential component, which is necessary component of your digestive system process. So you start digesting your food in your mouth. So it is very important to chew your food into a paste and not start swallowing food in big pieces. So the reason for that is if food is not properly chewed before it reaches your stomach, it requires more energy to digest that food, break that food into little pieces. So unchewed food can be seen as harmful invaders and can trigger a negative reaction in the body that can lead actually to indigestion, constipation. So partially digested food means bigger pieces than it should be, so can sit and ferment there in the small and large intestines, and it will cause gas, bloating, IBS, and believe it or not, food allergies. Yes, food allergies. Let me explain how the food allergies can begin. So I will give you two different examples. So example number one, you chew the food properly. And I would like to give an example about strawberries because a lot of people are allergic to strawberries. Yes, believe it or not. So you eat a strawberry and you chew the strawberry properly. So by the time it enters your bloodstream, your body will break down the strawberry into small little molecules, which calls glucose or sugar. So the sugar have no problem entering through the wall of small intestine into the bloodstream, and then the body knows what to do. It will be using for energies. So that's example number one. Now let's look at example number two. So example number two, again, strawberries, and you don't chew those strawberries properly. So you're so hungry, you're rushing for whatever, you wanna eat fast, or you just, that's the way you've been eating all your life. So you don't chew strawberry properly. It actually goes through your system much slower. It would be sitting and fermenting maybe in stomach, then in the small intestine, and your body won't be able to break down into a small little molecules sugar. So then when you do that over and over and over again, so what will happen, it will come to the point that those big molecules, bigger than it should be, they will find the way to get through the small intestine's wall into the bloodstream. And then your body won't recognize that sugar as small molecules. It will see those big, large pieces of strawberries as an invaders or enemies, and will start attacking. Get it? That's how the food allergies can happen. So now let's look how proper chewing actually can affect your weight loss. Very simple, right? So chewing your food will help you to consume less food while feeling fuller. So remember the rule, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you need to stop eating before the signal goes into your brain that you are full. here you go. Okay, so let me give you a suggestion. So when you're eating, be conscious of chewing your food. Some foods will take longer to break down in your mouth, like piece of steak, for example. Any meat will take time to break down into small pieces like amino acid, right? And compared to, let's say, simple carbs like banana, any fruit will break down quicker. So take smaller bites and chew until the food form a paste. Okay, so see how much longer it will take you actually to eat your meal when you chew properly. So if you have young children or grandchildren, this is a good tip I have for you. So turn chewing into a game where whoever takes the longest to chew their food without swallowing wins. Well, that's all I have for you today. So chewing is very important if you wanna stay healthy, have no allergies, and lose some weight at the same time. Give me a thumb up if you find this information useful. So have a great weekend, actually long weekend if you live in Canada, and I talk to you next week.